sp3 hybridization, here all bonds are sigma bonds. There is no pi bond here. Example, if I give you CH4, okay, so there are 4 orbitals that are made from 1s and 3p. So let's say these are the orbitals, okay, they lie in this plane, that is 3D plane. It is actually tetrahedral. So here hydrogen will come and one orbital of hydrogen will be blended with this. So this is actually the blending you can see here. So this is the hybridization of CH4 which I have tried to explain you. Here I would like to mention 2 points, that here the sigma bond is very strong and there is maximum free rotation. What is this free rotation if I explain you? Actually, what is the case, this thing which I am drawing on your screen is in 2D, but in reality the structure lies in 3D plane. These two lines will come towards you, this will be on this plane and a line will be there which will be away from you. So can you imagine it in 3D? So this is actually 3D, and you know that
crowded classes, these gaps go unnoticed. With one-to-one mentoring, chemistry becomes logical and real improvement begins.